I never did.
Wearing running shoes all week?
Yeah, no, I just. Just imagine people here and blah blah blah. But especially in this region, what they brought in a lot of invention workers from the city. Has there been on I never met him.
Because he was taking pictures while we were Trevor.
And you can see.